Alright guys, I just finished getting ready and it's about, what time is it? 9:05, and I still need to edit my video that's going up today at 3, so I'm gonna finish that right now. I've got a lot of it done. I just need to finish like the parts where I'm talking. I'm gonna go ahead and finish that right now so I can start to upload it, because the checks take forever when you are uploading it. It's so annoying. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. I have to do my thumbnail as well. So we're gonna get that all finished, and then we can actually start like cleaning and doing the rest of the stuff for the day. I also need to go shopping today. And just so you guys know, this video is in partnership with Luisa, which is a jewelry brand that I absolutely love. But I am going to talk about them in a couple minutes when I'm finished editing this video. So I really need to finish editing it and get it up so I don't have to worry about it.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go, leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting, we can make it, because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing.
Alright, so I wanted to pause the video to talk about today's video partnership. So I am partnering with Luisa in today's video, and if you have been watching for a long time, you would know that I have partnered with them before. I absolutely love their brand so much. I think they have really good quality. I've had this necklace. This necklace is from them. I've had it for a long time. I think it's sent for like probably 5 months or 6 months, and I wear it all the time. I've worn it in the shower, everything, and it has not tarnished. It's still in really good condition. Their products are really good. Their mission that their company stands for is really amazing as well. They offset 100% of their carbon emissions, which is really good for the environment. Their packaging is amazing. They aren't using any plastic. Just really great what they are trying to do for their company. So they are offering a Mother's Day special. Mother's Day is on May 9th. It is coming up very soon. So if you guys are looking to purchase something for your mother or any kind of family member that you want to get something for Mother's Day, they are offering 15% off to all customers, and that starts on April 12th. So by the time this video goes up, you guys can already start to purchase everything. Last day for US that you can guarantee to get it by May 9th, which is Mother's Day, is you have to order it by May 5th, and for international you have to order it by May 3rd. So let me get into the jewelry that I actually got. So the first one is actually these earrings that I'm wearing. I'm sure you guys have seen me wear these before in videos, but they're just little heart earrings, and they're just so dainty and cute, and I love them. And then the next pair, this is the second pair. So it's just a little pair of hoops. So this is what they look like. They're just little double hoops, and I just think they're really cute and simple. And this is what they come in, so it's like a little pouch. It's not plastic or anything. And then I'm going to show you guys the one I got for my mom. So mom, if you're watching this video, please click off, because I don't want to give away what I'm giving you for Mother's Day, because I'm not going to give it to you yet. So this is what I got for my mom. It's just a little heart necklace. I'm not going to put it on because I don't want to open it. Just a gold heart necklace with little diamonds in the heart. And yeah, she doesn't wear jewelry a lot, so I feel like this will be really good. Just really dainty and really simple. So if she does want to wear this, it won't be too out there. So if you guys are interested, you can use my code AlyssaMD, and I will have that on the screen and in the description box as well. Super good quality. All their prices start at $39, which I think is honestly a pretty good price for the quality that you are getting and how long it lasts. I just think they are great gifts for yourself, your mom, or anyone that you love in your family that you do want to buy something for. I definitely think it's worth it. And yeah, if you guys are interested, be sure to use my code. Alright, I just finished getting ready and I'm gonna clean my room. It is very messy, and I haven't even made my bed today. I need to make my bed real quick and just kind of tidy up my room, and then I actually am gonna switch some laundry because I was doing that last night and forgot to finish it. And then I might do the dishes as well. I'm actually going to go shopping. I think I did state this earlier actually. I'm gonna try to find my mom another Mother's Day gift. So I am giving her that necklace I just talked to you guys about. I think my sister got her a sweatshirt or something. And then I want to get her something else. I've had my eye on something, so I might get her that. You guys will see when I go get that. Hopefully they aren't out of it because I think they were going to sell out fast. So I need to check and see if they have that. That's the plan for today. Like I said, I do have some things to do around the house first, and then we will go ahead and get the other stuff. So I'm gonna clean my room right now and get that over with. I just finished dishes and then I just put another little laundry in. Now, the last thing I need to do before I leave is I need to edit my video description and make my thumbnail. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So if I'm gone when the video posts, I don't have to worry about it or anything. Alright, here's how my thumbnail turned out, and I just need to edit my description, and that's pretty much it for my video. I'm leaving right now. So the place I'm actually getting my mom's present, or I think I'm gonna get it, is from the place I used to work at Big B. So they have these cute little coffee mugs that I've been wanting to get her, and I really hope they're not sold out because they're so cute, and it just says like something about moms for Mother's Day. I think that's why they're selling it. So yeah, I really hope they have them and they're not sold out. I'm gonna be really disappointed if they are, but we'll see. And I'm obviously gonna get a coffee while I'm there because why wouldn't I? I've actually been doing really good because I was buying coffee like every day for a hot minute there, and I've been able to control myself. I think it helps that I'm not like actually going to school anymore in person, because I would always get one when I would go, and it was just really bad for my wallet. And I just did not need to be spending money on that, so I've been doing good. So I'm gonna treat myself today and get a coffee, and hopefully they have this mug because I really want to get it for her. Really hope she's not watching this. Okay, I did not have any luck. I'm really sad, but I did get my coffee. If you're wondering, I get a grande iced coffee with mellow hazelnut and sweet foam. I've got it for like 2 years now and I love it. I will probably never change it. I'm too scared to try something new. So they didn't have any mugs, which is really upsetting, but I'm gonna try to look at a different location. I would just have to drive there at some point before Mother's Day, so I'm gonna do that. And then I'm also gonna get her flowers, but I'm not gonna do that until obviously like the day of or the day before or something. I'm actually at Maya right now. I'm gonna try to go look for something for her to see what I can find. I kind of want to get her an Ulta gift card because she has been loving makeup and stuff like that. So I might get her an Ulta gift card and then I might look for something else. I don't know. We're gonna give her lots of things this Mother's Day apparently. So I'm gonna go ahead and look inside and I will update you guys if I find anything or what we come up with. Okay, I just got back and this is what I ended up getting from Meyer. My parents got a camper and they're taking it to like a seasonal park for the summer, so I figured this would be something cute to put in the camper. And yeah, they love camping, so. And then I just got her a card from me and my sister. So that's what else I'm gonna get my mom. I was gonna get her an Ulta gift card, but I couldn't find one that was like just for Ulta, so I just ended up getting this and a card. So on top of this stuff with the necklace and what my sister got her, I think that's good. Plus we're gonna get her flowers too, or I'm going to. So I think she'll be all set for Mother's Day. I really hope she doesn't watch this though. So normally on Sundays I like plan out my week in my planner of what I have to do, but I actually already did it earlier in the week because it's my finals week and I just wanted to make sure I knew like what I had to do and everything was already planned out so I could prepare. So I already have that all for the week. As you can see, I kind of highlight everything to a certain class and when I have to work and stuff. And then I also do have like my videos planned out already. I don't know if I mentioned in this video, I'm going to start posting 3 times a week. I'm going to do Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. So it's going to be 3 videos a week, all at 3 p.m. I think, like normal. So that's really exciting. I'm just really excited to kind of really focus on my YouTube channel and growing and just making content for you guys. But yeah, I don't really know what else I'm gonna do for the day. I might paint my toenails, which is not very exciting, but I do need to do that. I know my boyfriend is going to come over for a little bit before I have to work because I have to work at 6. Yeah, I pretty much got everything done today that I wanted to. So I don't know if I'm gonna film much of anything else. I want to thank Allyssa for partnering with me on this video. I love their brand so much, you guys know how I feel about that. If you guys do want to use my discount code AlyssaMD when you are checking out on their website, you can go ahead and use my code for 15% off. If you want to purchase something for your mom or family or friend or anything for Mother's Day. But I think that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.